वेलकम टू द ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ बी किफ़ायती। और भैया बहुत टाइम हो गया बोलते बोलते, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो अगर अभी तक नहीं करा है। बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी आपको और मिल भी रही है अभी तक, सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन. In today's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, NFT, and other Ponzi schemes. Alright, before starting the video, I would like to give a disclaimer that we are not saying that Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and NFT are Ponzi schemes. Or maybe they are. So what exactly is a Ponzi scheme? A Ponzi scheme is an investment scheme in which the older investors are paid by using the money brought in by the new investors. This process keeps running till the time the money brought in by the new investors is greater than the money paid to the older investors. Once this reverses, the scheme collapses. Now, how does Ponzi scheme gets its investors? From the past 100 years since the time Ponzi scheme was first invented, all these schemes have nearly similar construct, mind-boggling returns in a very short period of time. No, we are not saying that Bitcoin and Dogecoin are Ponzi schemes. अच्छा, वो हेरा फेरी का डायलॉग आता है आपको, 25 दिन में पैसा डबल.
25 दिन में पैसा डबल.
Okay, jokes aside, over time the definition of Ponzi scheme has evolved. Let's see how the modern Ponzi scheme is different. A conventional Ponzi scheme used to have a शैतान मैनेजर जिसका काम होता था लोगों को उल्लू बनाना, उनके पैसे लेके भाग जाना जब तक कि उनकी स्कीम में कोलैप्स नहीं हो जाती है. But a natural occurring Ponzi scheme is slightly different from a conventional one. In a naturally occurring Ponzi scheme, there is no single shaitan manager. In the modern day Ponzi scheme, the market enters a phase where the prices go slightly up because new money keeps coming in because of some euphoria, and this money is used to pay the old investors. जो थोड़े भी स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर्स होते हैं ना, उन्हें पता होता है दैट ये पैसा आता रहेगा एंड द प्राइसेस विल गो अप एंड दस स्टॉक्स कैन बी अनलोडेड टू न्यू इन्वेस्टर्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्रेटर फूल थ्योरी. The investors will keep buying even when the prices are unjustified, knowing that the greater fools will come and invest in the time to come and they will take an exit. Of course, this is not the story that is sold. If you want the money keep coming into your stocks, you will not call a prospective fool a fool. Imagine Elon Musk tweeting that all the people who invest in Dogecoin are fools. I mean, the prices of Dogecoin will go down to zero. So how does the narrative for selling a Ponzi scheme change? If you hear any of these statements, you can almost be sure that this is a Ponzi scheme with a new narrative. This time it's going to be different. Prices are going up and up and up. Invest ASAP. Do not miss out. This will replace dollar as a global currency. No. We're still not saying that Bitcoin, Dogecoin are Ponzi schemes. One can also argue that the similar phenomena is being used while investing in stock market or investing in a startup. Did we say that out loud? But okay, when a company is listed under stock market or even a startup has some hopes to be profitable, maybe not immediately but eventually, they seem to have some underlying business, right? But can we say the same about cryptocurrencies? Let's finally talk about cryptocurrencies. Let's start with Dogecoin. Dogecoin was created as a joke on cryptocurrencies. Yes, you heard that right. As I record this video, it has given a return of 24% in the last 24 hours. An Indian fixed deposit investor will take more than 4 years to earn that kind of return, and that too if he doesn't pay any tax on the interest earned. Honestly, we do not understand their underlying business or if they have any underlying business. But why is Dogecoin giving such fab returns? Our best guess is that people all of a sudden have decided that Dogecoins are more valuable. The only way the value of Dogecoin, Bitcoin or NFT could be sustained is if newer investors keep coming in and if the people who already own these cryptocurrencies do not rush out to cash in their gains. But what if suddenly the existing customers start demanding their money back and not enough people are coming in to invest? Come on, you know the answer to this question. Therefore, it is very important for the people who heavily invest in crypto to keep defending them. Of course, most of the time it is a technical numbo jumbo, which means this time is different. Everything is going to change. But why is everyone rushing into cryptocurrencies? There are multiple reasons. Interest rates are hitting a rock bottom and there is just abundance of money chasing decent returns. The old PF, FD saving accounts are not good enough anymore. Second is FOMO, fear of missing out. जितने लोगों से आप क्रिप्टो करेंसी के बारे में बात करोगे या डिस्कस करोगे, most of them think that there is something fishy about this. I mean, something like Dogecoin is giving you 24% return in 24 hours. ये सब चीज़ें कैसे मिल रही है? But still they will invest 20 to 50k because उनको FOMO हो रहा था. Third is most of us want to be a part of something which is bigger than us, something which has taken the world by storm, even if we lose some money on the way. बहुत पैसा है लोगों के पास, कसम से बहुत पैसा. So are all the cryptocurrencies elaborate Ponzi schemes and that we should never invest in them? The answer to the first question is best left to your judgment. And even if they were Ponzi schemes, not saying they are, there is a smarter way to invest in these schemes. The most crucial element of investing in any cryptocurrency is the time of the entry and the exit. Of course, it's easier said than done because we haven't met a single investor who could time the stock market. If your investment horizon is 6 months and if you foresee that in the next 6 months new investors will keep coming in and pumping in more money, we would say go bananas. But just to reiterate, we do not recommend in investing in cryptocurrencies. अब आप में से ही बहुत लोग होंगे जिन्होंने क्रिप्टो करेंसी में इन्वेस्ट किया होगा. So we would want to know the reason that made you invest in cryptocurrencies. Let us know in the comments below. And अगर अभी तक भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया चैनल को तो कर लो यार, please. In case you're new to investing and would like to know more about how mutual funds operate, we would highly recommend you to watch this video. Till then, be kifaiti and subscribe to our channel.